Good day, sir, madam. I am Almasita Manzano, 32 years old from San Guillermo, Philippines. My height is 152 centimeter and my weight is 56 kilograms. I am happily married and blessed with two kids ages 14 years old and 7 years old. My husband is a farmer and my father is also a farmer. And my mother is no longer with us. I have three lovely sisters and we are Christian family. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate, and my hobbies are listening music and reading. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 4 years since March 10, 2020 until March 10, 2024. I serve 4 members in the family, including a married couple and their two adorable kids, ages 12 years old and 6 years old. And my main duties are maintaining the cleanliness of the house, taking care of the kids, and cooking simple food for them. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my family and most especially to support my kids in their studies. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and lovable. This is my first time working in abroad. Sir, Madam, please hire me as your helper and I will do my best to do all my duties and responsibilities. I will respect you and treat your kids as my own. Please, Sir, Madam, consider my application. I am looking forward to work with you. Thank you very much.